Hi, my name is Ruxandra Elena from HNS Real Estate and welcome to another property tour. So I'm here to show you the Da Vinci Tower, the very first tower in the world in the partnership with the supercar Italian Pagani, which is known for ultra luxury and limited edition cars. Every detail is created to obsess. Every material is with the highest quality. Every line is designed with taste and harmony, resulting in a unique masterpiece experience. It is located in the heart of the city, direct on the Dubai Water Canal, in close proximity to downtown Dubai top attractions such as Dubai Mall and Burj Khalifa. The tower includes 19 floors, 80 residential units, and offers luxurious 2, 3, and 4 bedroom apartments and villas with private outdoor spaces and an iconic penthouse. Darar Arkan, known as the #1 developer in Saudi Arabia, established a partnership with the world's top luxury brands and the world's first ever interior by Pagani. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to know more about this property, feel free to get in touch with me. And see you at the next property show.